I'm participating in the document exam. I'll invite you to the process that document came from you. It doesn't match the writing in the specimen that I have, you will be eliminated as a person of interest. If you agree, we can continue. Yes, sir. I'm going to dictate the phrases. You need to write. I'm sorry. I have to do this. This water, the plants, and care. For a pilot. Munda.